What's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy, and in this video we are going to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy J5 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro here. So without any further delay, let's get started and do a speed test comparison between both the devices. And we start with turning off both the devices here, and to turn on both the devices we press the restart button here to load them automatically here, and you can see that both the devices are now turning off and they will start at their own here. And let's see which device loads faster. And Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro was a bit quicker here, taking advantages of more RAM here than the Samsung Galaxy J5 Pro here, which has 2 GB of RAM here, and the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro is having the 3 GB of RAM here. And the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro is leading here to the Samsung Galaxy J5 Pro here. And let's see what happens here, which device loads faster here. And the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro is a 5.5-inch display, and you can see that Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro here is loaded faster than the Samsung Galaxy J5. And now let's just start the speed test. No app is running in the background, and we start the stopwatch here in both the devices, and let's start the speed test here. And you can see that the Samsung Galaxy J5 is doing it better here. It is loading the applications a bit quicker than the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro here. Maybe it is due to the smaller display, as the processor in both the devices is the same, and the RAM management is little different. It is 2 GB with the J5 Pro and 3 GB with the J7 Pro. And let's see what happens here. Both the devices are now loading the game here, and let's see which device loads the game faster here. And the J5 Pro again has loaded the game faster than the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro here, which is amazing to note here. And maybe this is due to the smaller display and lesser PPI, which is making it capable of using processor here more for the games here. And you can see that it is leading the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro here. Let's see what happens, who wins this round here. And in lap set we retrieve a clip in the J5 Pro here, as it is leading, and Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro here is just trying to catch this round. Let's see what happens. And Samsung Galaxy J5 Pro has completed this also, and it is leading now, moving to the YouTube here on the Samsung Galaxy J5 Pro here. And now on the J7 Pro we move to the YouTube here, and the Samsung Galaxy J5 Pro has almost completed the test here, and it is now loading the Chrome application here, opening the YouTube here and going back here. And you can see that in a time of almost 1 minute and 31 seconds it has completed this round here. And moving to the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro here, and let's see what it does. It has completed the test in 1 minute and 37 seconds in. And moving to the next round, let's check that all the apps are running in the background or not. And there is 2 GB of RAM. Let's see what it does. And you can see that the Temple Run 2 is again loading here on the Samsung Galaxy J5 Pro here. And let's see what happens with the Samsung Galaxy, and it is also again loading the application in Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro here. And let's see what happens here. And it is still winning the round. Samsung Galaxy J5 Pro is leading here, and let's see what happens here. And we open the color switch here on the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro is still on the Temple Run 2 here. And moving next up we have the Adobe Photoshop. We open it, and let's see it can catch it or not here. And you can see that it is strange to note here that Samsung Galaxy J5 Pro has just crashed an application here, which is interesting to note. And Samsung Galaxy J7, taking advantage of that, is moving ahead of this. Now it is just because of the RAM management, which has the lesser RAM than, and it has completed the test in 2 minutes and 35 seconds. And J5 Pro is still finishing the lap here due to the app crash. We just noticed here that due to the lesser RAM it has crashed the app here, and it has completed the round in 2 minutes and 46 seconds, and making the winner again here to the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro here. And which was very interesting to note in both the devices, although there was no difference in the processor here, but due to the RAM management, it has 2 GB of RAM, and the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro has the 3 GB of RAM, and it has taken the advantage of that RAM and has won the second round here and completed the round earlier than the Samsung Galaxy J5 Pro here. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye.